Hi, welcome to another Flutter Quick Bit. So today I'm going to show how to install dependency. So for example, the following dependency called Flutter Toast. So Flutter Toast allow your application to display a short message on top of your layout. So how to install? So you can just go to the pubdev for the Flutter Toast and follow the installation guideline here. So to use this package as a library, the first thing that you need to do is to update your pubspec YAML. So you need to go to your pubspec YAML and update your dependency. So either you can just write your dependency straight away from this section and you can update here, or you can use what we call as a pubspec assist. So pubspec assist basically allow you to install, for example, the following package name Flutter Toast and just press enter and it will automatically do the installation for you. So you will see that the pubspec YAML will update Flutter Toast automatically with the latest version. Alright, so either you want to do it manually or you can do through the package installer. So for the package installer, you need to make sure that you install the extension. It's called pubspec assist. So once you install the pubspec assist, it basically allow you to do the quick installation and it will do the automatic downloading of the package into your project. So you should be able to see through the output here. If you look at the your supposed to be here, Flutter Toast example here, your exit code 0 means that the installation for the package is a success. And then once you do that, you can continue to use or to import into your project. So you don't have to actually to perform the second step here to install it. So you can just straight away use your package. So there's a quick example here how to use the Flutter Toast. So for example, the first thing that you need for your application is to import the desired package. So for example, consider the following simple project that basically contain a simple text field. Let's say help, press, it will display the text here. So what we need to do now is to import the Flutter Toast library, and then you can just straight away take this simple toast example, and then so in this case what I want to do is that when I press this button, I want to display the text that I enter, so which means implemented by this press me method. So inside this press me method, you can see there's a set state, and the set state will basically update your layout with the updated variable. So here I'm going to show the Flutter Toast. Either you can put it inside the set state or you can put it outside. It doesn't matter. So the Flutter Toast basically can be straight away used in the codes. Flutter Toast show toast, and with the constructor. So here let me change you entered. I just want to show the variable. So in this case, your string. So once you have done that, and most of the time, sometimes you need to reload because the library haven't yet installed or updated into your AVD. So let me give a try. So let me put my name here and press. It's supposed to show that it shows that you don't have that library display. So what you need to do now, you need to stop and then run this application again. to properly install into your AVD. So let the application install, and you should be able to see the toast display on your screen once user press the button. Okay, so once the application install, you can test or put it hello, and when you press this button, you should be able to see those appear on your screen. So just a simple guideline how to install dependency. So Flutter Tools is basically one of the tools that you can use to display short notification to user. So that's all. Thank you.